Hi everybody, I'm Liz Profumo, the Managing Attorney of Global Talent Immigration Law Group, and I'm here today with Tiffany Gomez, our Chief Operating Officer. And we wanted to take a minute to talk about a recent trend that we're seeing in O1B RFEs for film and television professionals.
Context in RFE is a request for evidence issued by USCIS if they decide that they want more information before approving a case.
I've noticed that USCIS has gotten tougher on what they consider to be distinguished productions for films. In the past, if you could show that you've worked on 4 or 5 film projects that have gone into film festivals, that was always sufficient for O1 approval. However, more recently, we've seen them take a tougher approach to productions that are only released through the film festival circuit. In fact, there's a template that they use when they talk about these projects.
And we have it here for you. Research regarding the history of film festivals throughout the world demonstrates that the number and frequency of festivals has grown substantially over time. Internet research conducted by USCIS on film festivals indicates there are thousands of film festivals held annually, monthly, and even weekly, both in the United States and internationally, of varying size and stature. The significance of a film festival showing, selection, or award must be thoroughly explained and independently documented, along with any evidence submitted as evidentiary criteria to qualify the beneficiary as an individual of extraordinary achievement in the motion picture or television industry. In response to this, we do more research about each film festival and only highlight the festivals that are significant. USCIS does not provide any guidelines about what they consider to be significant when it comes to evaluating film festivals, but we highlight Oscar and BAFTA qualifying film festivals and other well-established or long-running festivals. On the other hand, USCIS doesn't seem to give credit to small festivals or monthly online film festivals.
Since this trend started, it's always best if we can highlight projects that have distribution outside the film festival circuit, such as projects that are streaming on demand or in traditional theatrical release or on television.
Because we're always consistently filing a good number of O1 visas for film and TV professionals, we're always on top of the latest trends for these type of cases. If you would like us to assess your film and TV credits for an O1, contact us through our website. Visit our website at globaltalentlaw.com. We're here to help, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.